Dear 2026, I pray that you're as colorful, warm, and loving as the previous years, that you bloom flowers of different kinds, the ones I'll lovingly embrace, experience, and accept. Whether they wilt and display their weeds or bloom with soft, gentle petals, I hope that I love all of them regardless. I know that the weather and seasons may shake your buds, but I know that in every moment, in every sunlight, in every shade, I'll love every version of them. Because in every bloom or bud, I'll see your beauty in a new light, and I'll see myself just the same.